In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of the Elementor intersection widget going missing. If you've encountered this problem while working on your website, don't worry, you're not alone. It's a common hiccup, but with a few straightforward steps, we'll have it sorted in no time. Firstly, you'll need to ensure that you're using the most updated versions of both Elementor and Elementor Pro. Often, the core of the problem lies in outdated software. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and check for any available updates. If updates are available, it's essential to install them and then refresh your site. Once you've ensured your plugins are up to date, let's see if the widget reappears. Should this initial step not solve the issue, the next move is to examine your system requirements. Elementor has specific system parameters it needs to function correctly. Navigate to the Elementor panel in your WordPress dashboard. Then, go to System Info. This page offers a thorough breakdown of your setup. Pay close attention to the PHP version, WordPress memory limit, and the maximum upload size. Compare these figures with Elementor's recommended settings, which you can find on the Elementor website. If any discrepancies appear, address them accordingly. This could mean updating your server to meet these specs or contacting your hosting provider for assistance. Next, let's delve into plugin conflicts. These conflicts are a frequent culprit when widgets mysteriously disappear. Begin by deactivating each plugin except for Elementor and Elementor Pro. One by one, re-enable each plugin while checking if the intersection widget returns. Should it reappear after reactivating a specific plugin, you've found the troublemaker. At that point, reaching out to either the plugin's support team or exploring an alternative solution could be beneficial. If you're still facing trouble after trying these methods, it's time to check your theme. Incompatible themes can sometimes cause issues like these. Switch to a default WordPress theme such as 2021 temporarily. After switching, see if your widget reappears. If the problem resolves itself, it might be time to reconsider your theme choice or reach out for support from the theme's developer. As a last resort, reinstall Elementor. Sometimes anomaly files during the initial installation can indeed lead to unexpected problems. By uninstalling and then reinstalling Elementor and Elementor Pro from the plugins page, you may rectify the issue. Remember to back up your website before progressing with any major changes, like theme swapping or reinstallations. This precaution will safeguard your data from any unforeseen glitches. With these steps, you should be well on your way to regaining full functionality of your Elementor intersection widget. If these steps don't resolve the issue, I recommend reaching out to Elementor's support for more assistance. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your website project.